Having trouble with Uber Eats ID verification? Don't worry. Well, we will help you fix it step by step. First of all, make sure you are using a valid and accepted form of ID such as a driver's license, passport, or national ID card. Check Uber Eats guidelines for your country. Next, ensure your ID photo is clear, well lit, and free of glare or shadows. Use a flat surface and make sure all details are readable. Ensure your device has camera permissions enabled for the Uber Eats app. Go to your phone settings and confirm this over the app's permissions. Outdated apps can cause errors. Update the Uber Eats app to the latest version or reinstall it to fix potential bugs. If verification still doesn't work, try using a different device or the Uber Eats website for better compatibility. If the issue persists, contact Uber Eats support through the app, provide them with details about the problem and they will assist you. That's it. Follow these steps and you will resolve your ID verification issue in no time. Happy ordering with Uber Eats. Thanks for watching.